Ever wondered how ChatGPT knows what to say? It's not magic, it's math. In this video, we're breaking down large language models so simply that anyone can understand them. A large language model, or LLM, is an AI trained on billions of words from books, websites, and articles. Think of it like a super smart student who's read everything online. It learns patterns in language, how words connect, what comes next. When you ask it a question, it predicts the most likely response, word by word. That's it. Prediction, repeated millions of times. During training, the model reads millions of sentences with one word hidden. It guesses that hidden word thousands of times, getting that everything online. It learns patterns in language. Imagine playing a guessing game where you learn English patterns. After seeing billions of examples, it becomes incredibly good at understanding context, answering questions, and writing coherently. It's not conscious, just pattern recognition at massive scale. LLMs work with attention, a mechanism letting them understand relationships between distant words. This helps them write essays, code, and explanations. Scale matters too. More data plus more computing power equals better results. ChatGPT, Claude, and others use this technology. They can't browse the internet or think creatively. They remix learned patterns brilliantly. LLMs sometimes hallucinate, confidently making up false information. They can't learn new things after training ends. They don't truly understand meaning like humans do. But they're incredibly useful tools for writing, coding, learning, and brainstorming. Understanding their strengths and weaknesses helps us use them better. Now you understand LLMs. Hit subscribe for more AI concepts broken down simply. Drop a comment. What AI topic confuses you most?